Welcome to the world of portable grilling, where convenience meets exceptional quality. Let's introduce you to the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill, a black beauty that promises an unparalleled grilling experience on the go. According to the manufacturer, this grill boasts a robust enameled, cast-iron cooking grate. This feature offers superior heat retention, flavor infusion, and an attractive appearance. The Weber Traveler Black Grill is designed for versatility during your outdoor grilling and cooking sessions. Powering up the grill is a 13,000 BTU burner, ensuring rapid heating, precise temperature control, and overall flexibility in your culinary adventures. The push-button ignition system makes operation easy, catering to grillers of all experience levels. The Weber Traveler Black Grill is compact yet spacious, with a large grilling area that allows an entire meal to be ready at the same time. It's designed to optimize gas usage, ensuring efficiency even when cooking for a crowd. Whether you're preparing pancakes, seared steak, or anything in between, this travel grill has got you covered with its low to high temperature range. Now, let's hear from some real users. According to one reviewer, this grill is of high quality, comparable even to a 25-year-old Weber model. Another user praises its durability, stating that it hasn't rusted after over a year of use with a camper. These testimonies speak volumes about the Traveler's robustness and reliability. Using the grill is straightforward. It features a compact fold design, making it easy to fit in your car trunk or storage. When you're ready for grilling, simply unfold it and secure with the automatic lid lock. The large wheels make moving the grill a breeze. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The grill uses disposable 16.4 ounces LP cylinder sold separately or can accommodate a full-size, 20 pounds fuel tank when using an adapter hose. Also, assembly is required, so be prepared to spend some time setting it up. In conclusion, the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill, Black, is a fantastic choice for those seeking a portable, efficient, and high-quality grilling solution. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a novice looking to explore the world of outdoor cooking, this grill may well be your perfect companion. So, are you ready to embark on your next grilling adventure with the Weber Traveler Black Grill? Happy grilling!